Yeah, welcome friends to Review K Vlogs. Today we are reviewing a keyboard which is having Bluetooth connectivity, and it can also be paired with the Android version. So if you can see the key quality, so the keys are pretty good, similar to kind of a mechanical key, and it has got three Bluetooth device connector. So device 3, device 2, device 1, and it has got a space bar as well, and you can put in your device, which is either a tablet or a mobile phone, here at the slot available. So if it is a tablet, it can consume one. If it is a mobile phone, then probably two mobiles can be easily fitted here. It's made by Logitech, and it is powered by batteries. If I show you here, so this is the model number k480. So this is the power button. So the power is on like that, and the power is off. So you put in batteries here, and if I show you the battery type, this is having the battery band here. So it is having a good decent life. We have used it for months, and the battery doesn't get lost. And it has got stoppers here, which can hold the device in case of any slippage or a grip movement. So thanks friend, thanks for watching. So we'll come back with some more reviews. Thank you.